Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Abiodun James. This is POP ceiling installation for bedroom. Check it out, installation is in progress. Installation is in progress. Contact us 08063 098718 for your POP installation. Wall screening, floor tiles. Price is affordable. We are done with the living room. This is our living room. Living room is 2-in-1 POP ceiling design. 2-in-1. This is lovely. It's electric design. And for watching this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Share and let the whole world to see it. God bless you. Also share this video. We'll give you more updates when we are done with the bedroom ceiling installation. We'll give you more updates when we are done. When we are done watching. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon. This is our POP ceiling design for your project. Check it out. This is lovely design. Lovely design for living and bedroom area, as you can see. You can contact us for a project. You can contact us on 08063 098718. Your POP ceiling design, wall screening, wall panel, wallpaper, aluminum casement, window, aluminum roofing, wall plastering. We build and renovate. Check it out. We're done on this design for the bedroom area, as you can see. We did a video on the installation, and finally we are done. Now contact us. That's us work done 08063 098718. 8063 098718. Distance is not a barrier. We also work across the whole nation. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to share, like, comments, and subscribe. Share and let the whole world to see it. Share and let the whole world to see it. God bless you. Once it's dry, it will be elegant. As you can see, we're just done. So once it's dry, it will be white. And then you can see the living room. You can see the living room area. We're done 4 days ago. You can see for the living room, done 4 days ago. Check it out. Now contact us once again. WhatsApp us on 08063 098718. Thanks for watching. Please share, like, comment, and subscribe. God bless you.